Hello, this is Anna. Anna is passionate about order and beauty in her home. Anna loves making her house a renewed and innovative place. Whenever she can, she finds an opportunity and space to make her home look tidy and beautiful. On this occasion, Anna decided to buy the Rimax utility cabinet. Available in different styles, functional and easy to assemble, making it an ideal solution for organizing and decorating the house while creating a cozy space. Today, Anna will show us how to assemble the utility cabinet with the Baru appearance, but they are all assembled in the same way. You will see how quickly you will have your Rimax furniture assembled and ready to be used in a new space in your home. Before starting the assembly process, it is essential to find an appropriate space to lay out all the pieces and work on a clean surface to protect the cabinet. The only tool you need to assemble a Rimax cabinet is a screwdriver. Therefore, it's important to ensure that all pieces fit properly. Step 1. The base. To begin this process, take one of the A pieces, the one without the logo, place it on the floor, and choose the 4 heels or T pieces. Insert one of these pieces at each corner and ensure they are well installed. Turn the piece over and place it on the floor. And now, the cabinet base will be ready. Step 2. Lower sides. Take the 2 B panels and insert them into the A piece, which is the base. Put one on each side and make sure they fit correctly. Step 3. Lower back. Locate the C panel and, considering the indication on the piece, turn it and slide it into the back of the cabinet. Slide it through the guides of the B pieces, or sides, until it reaches the A piece, base. Make sure the pieces are securely in place. You should hear a click. Step 4. Rear connector. Now, take the K piece and insert it into the C or back piece. This piece serves as a connector and helps secure the structure. Step 5. Lower doors. Now let's assemble the doors. For this, take 2 D door pieces and 2 H pieces or door connectors. Place the connector on the door and adjust it correctly. Step 6. Left lower door. Once the lower doors are assembled, insert the left door into the axis on the base and finally secure it with one of the I pieces, which function as a connector and hinge. It is essential to be well installed on the base axis, as it makes the door hinged. Step 7. Right lower door. Now repeat the previous process with the right piece and make sure the connector fits correctly. Now you have the lower doors installed. Step 8. Upper sides. Now, take the remaining 2 B panels. Attach the left side over the already installed I connector. Now, repeat the previous process with the right piece. Make sure the connector fits correctly. Step 9. Upper back. Locate the other C panel and, considering the indication on the piece, turn it and slide it into the back of the cabinet at the top. Slide it through the guides of the B pieces, sides, until it reaches the connector. Make sure the pieces are securely in place. You should feel a click. Now you have finished the back of the cabinet. Step 10. Upper doors. Now let's assemble the upper doors of the cabinet. For this, take 2 D pieces or doors and assemble them over the lower doors on each side, left and right. Make sure the doors fit together correctly. Step 11. Top panel. Take the last A piece, the one with the Rimax logo, place it on the floor and choose the 4 caps or N pieces. Insert one of these pieces at each corner and make sure they are well placed. Take the previously assembled top panel and place it over the cabinet structure. Carefully assemble each corner so that the entire product is joined together. Tip: gently place it and apply pressure at each corner to make it easier. Step 12. Shelves. Now we will put the cabinet's shelves. So take the J pieces and place them at the desired height. Make sure to insert the piece slightly inclined. This will make it easier to place the shelves where you want them. Make sure it is well assembled at each corner. Repeat this step with each shelf. Step 13. Handles. Finally, you only need to take the M pieces or vertical handles and the 4 screws that will allow you to secure them. Open the doors and identify the circular guides on them. This part is crucial for placing the handles correctly. We will place the handle in the second guide. This is so the handle is completely central on the cabinet. Gently insert the screw at the top and pierce the door's material. This area is very thin and you won't need much force. Place the handle on the outside and start screwing. Now put the other screw in the second guide downwards and fix the handle from behind. As you screw, the handle is secured to both doors. Now your Rimax large cabinet is ready to be used. Anna is happy. Your spaces with Rimax are functional, warm, and practical. Suggestions for regular cleaning of your cabinets: use conventional detergents, rinse with plenty of water, and do not use abrasive cloths or metal sponges, as they could damage the surface of the cabinet. As you saw, the assembly process of Rimax cabinets is straightforward. In no time, you will have a functional and decorative piece of furniture with different possibilities of use that will allow you to improve the spaces and environments of your home. Find our products at all Rimax stores nationwide or on our website, www.rimax.com. Find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok too, with great usage ideas and promotions that will captivate you.